Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn the use of map. What is map, how to create map, and what are the functions available in map under Dart programming language. So I create one more file here. I say 26 map.dart. Here again void main. Now for creating a map, just I say map data and I use this symbol and I say the key and value pair. I say 1 is 1. I say 2 is 2. I say 3 is 3. Remember, like this. Now I say print map data like this. I can run this. I say dart run map. And you see, like this. So map means key and value pair. So 1 is a key, 2 is the value. 2 is a key, this 2 TWA is a value. Now this key may be a string. You can say that I say map, I say data equal to, again I say like this. I say 1, I say 1, I say 2 is 2, I say 3 is 3. So like this, and I say data. So key may be like a string and this may be number, and I run this and you see this is the key value pair. Now both can be string, remember. So how can we declare? I say map data and I say here key and value all would be string. Like that we can also mention. If I don't mention, no problem, I can say m data equal to map, I say name, I say Dr. Vipin, and then I say channel YouTube channel, I say Dr. Vipin classes. Like this, this key value pair. I can execute this also, print m data like this, run it once again. So you know this is key and value pair. Key may be numeric, key may be string, value may be numeric, value may be string. It depends on you, both may be this. These are dynamic type of map, but you can specify the value also, like this is integer and string, so you can fix this. So I can specify here string and int like this. Here I can specify this is a string and a string. Now it is not dynamic, it is fixed. You can't change now value. It should be string, it should be number. But if I don't mention this, suppose I am not giving this one, so here I can say like this also. I say 4. I can run this and you see this time this is key, this is value, that is just opposite of this. So it depends on you what kind of thing you want to use. These are the static way to create this, specify this. Now in place of this you can create I make it comment all. I do one more thing, you can create map like this also. I say map data equal to, I say map, you see, so that would be integer one, empty one. So I run it and you will see that it's empty one. Now you can add the value. So I say data and here I say add the 1. I want 1 like this. Then data at 2. I want to add 2 like this. Run it. You see it's working. And I say data dot. You see we have a add entry. We have a all. So I can add like this also. I say 3. I say 4. Like this. Then like this. You can add like this also. If you want to use entry, data dot entry, add entries, you can use this also. Here we can add 5 to 5. So you see it's generating an error. Why? So these are the entries. For that we have to use a class. Remember, so I am not telling this. By creating a class you have to add this. So add all. You can do like this. Printout is there. Then we can check more thing also. Data dot remove. You can remove by that where and by the index value. Then you can clear also. If I say clear, then all the element will remove. If you see check contain key or value, we have this function. If I say 4 is the key is available or not, it will print true or false like this. So 4 is available already, it will show true. So like that, I run it once again and it will display true. Then if I say here contain value, so 4 is not a value, it will display the false. You see, so like this you can do. Then we have data dot, we have entries and values. This is iterable entries. So if I want to display one by one value, so I can say 4, then I say where, I say key in, and I say data dot keys like this, and I print key. Remember that. So if I run this, it will display all the key. If in place of key I say values, so it will display values also like this. So there are so many functions available in map also. Remember, it depends on you how you want to create map in Dart programming language. Because all the concept cannot be clear in a single video, because all function have certain types of requirement. All the requirements I cannot fulfill in this single video, but it depends on you that what you want to use from the map. Simple thing is that if you have a key value pair type of data, then you should require map. So map is so simple in Dart programming language. I have explained so many things in map. Whatever you want, you can use. If you have some other questions, you can ask question also on this, comment on me. I will try to solve those questions also. If you like this video now, please do subscribe, share to your friend, like this video, and also thank you for watching this video.